Hello everyone, welcome back to the verification lab. This is yet another video on Questasim plus Linux. In the earlier video, I have shown you a single command to run or execute any file. But in this video, I will be showing you how actual verification is done in the industry. So let's move ahead. So I will be going to my working directory. For that, I have set one alias as a work. So as of now, I am present in my working directory. So let's see the content of this working directory. So these are the content. The .sv file is our old example used in our first video. So right now for this video, I have taken an example of ALU. ALU stands for arithmetical and logical unit. So let's move into this directory. So right now I am in ALU. So let me see the content of the ALU. So there are these are the contents of the ALU: Makefile, design, package, and TB. So design basically have the RTL code, where TB has all the component needed in UVM based test bench. Package includes all the file, and this package is included in the makefile, so that in the compile time we don't have any compilation issue. Then what is makefile? So makefile basically a script used to automate the design verification flow. We can have like this script made up of Python, Perl, Tcl, and in this video I am going for the makefile. So how to use this makefile? It is not so easy, but not a difficult also. First, we have to use some help option. So if we use help from the make, then we can it become too easy. So let me show make help. So these are the some make targets we can run on this makefile. So let us start with an individual test. We have three testers here: random, arithmetic, and logical. For your design specification, you can have n number of tests, and it depends totally upon your spec of the design. Here we have taken three tests to show you how the things are done. So I will write make test random. So you can see it will clean old compilation. Now it will be compiling new, then optimizing, and then it will simulate. So simulate basically means running random test. So you can see how UVM report is being generated, and you can see also test random test completed and generating random test coverage report. So coverage report is also generated. Now let us take off make help again. So you can see first test has been run. Similarly, you can run n number of tests depending upon the number of tests you have. Then you want to see the waveform of the desired test. We have run test random. Let me see the waveform of the random test. So I'll write make wave random. So you can see my Questasim GUI has opened. So let me enlarge this. Yeah, I am maximizing this. It will take some time to settle down. Once it gets settled down, let's see the web. You can see there is no web, so we need to load the web. Then how to load the web? We will go to the vsim.random. I will click here VIF, and I can use help of a command. Command is Control W, or I can right click and add web. So as of now, I will be going for the command Control W. Now I will go to the waveform, and you can see the waveform has been generated. So there are so many options. As of now, I am not exploring those options, just to show you how the waveform is loaded. So that is done, and right now I will be closing this window. Now let us run again make help, or we can use from the previous help also. Like waveform has been done, now let us do the regression. So regression basically is the continuous running of all the tests. So we have three tests, so let us run the regression. So you can see test 1 of 3 is running right now. So similarly, we are optimizing, first compiling, then optimizing, then running, means simulating the random test. Yes. So test 1 is completed. You can see random test completed. And now we are moving to test 2. That is our arithmetic test. And it was also showing that test 2 of 3. And we are running this arithmetic test. That means we are simulating the arithmetic test. Or in a better term, we can say that that sequence we are executing. So this is the UVM report. So all are automated. We don't need to do manually. This is the logical test. So as of now, we are running this logical test. So you can see logical test is also completed. And you can see the report regression completed. And regression coverage report is also being generated. Now again take help of the make. So you can see test complete, waveform complete, regression complete. Then each regression, whenever we run each test, it creates a file known as UCDB. UCDB stands for Unified Common Database. So it will store the coverage information of single test. Now we have to merge the coverage report of all the tests and produce a common coverage report so that we can see all the coverage report in a single file. So let me take the help of a make merge coverage. So if I write make merge coverage, it will merge all the coverage of the ongoing or regressed test case. So this has been done. Now we can view our coverage. So for example, if you want to view the merge coverage report, so I will be writing make cov merge Firefox. So basically it will open the Firefox in web browser and it will show the coverage report. So this is the GUI based coverage report. You can see Questa coverage report. So this basically have port coverage as well as function coverage. As of now, I am not going in depth detail analysis of this. You can see statement, branch. These are the matrices of port coverage. And you can see cover group. These are the matrices of functional coverage. So this is how the thing are done. And this is how we get the GUI. So let me close this. So I have one more options also. We can see the coverage report in text file also. For that, make cov text. So you can see statement coverage, active, hit, missed. So these are the some matrices by which we can analyze our verification flow. So this is the branch. As you know, branch coverage, it is the matrices of port coverage. Then we have statement. Then we have cover group. Cover group are for functional. And then we have assertion. So this is the text format of everything. So now, so these are the files created when we run the regression script. Now let's say we want to clean them all. So we have to manually do it. So again, make helps us in doing this. So if we write make clean, it is cleaning all the unnecessary file. Now, if you see, then after pressing the make clean, we move to again our original position. So this is the way by which in industry verification flow is been done. So that's the end of my session today. Thank you for watching. And if you find this video useful, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.